Welcome to Beyond Just Money. My name is Samta, and today with us we have the head of content of Calkine Media, Ms. Nidhi Sinha, as a guest speaker for the day. Welcome back to Beyond Just Money, Nidhi.
Thanks, Samta, for having me on the show.
Well, Nidhi, as you're aware that every industry has certain blue chip companies, today our agenda is to talk about anything and everything about blue chip companies, from what they are to which ones you should pick, because we are eager to make you a smarter investor.
Well, Samta, it is important to understand what blue chip companies are because you would often hear the advice that blue chip companies are much safer to invest in than other stocks.
That's absolutely right, Nidhi. And before we list three hot blue chip stocks handpicked by us, especially for our listeners today, let us begin with the basics first. Would you help our listeners understand what to keep in mind when bookmarking a company as a blue chip?
Like I said, Samta, it's important to understand what blue chips are before you go on and invest in them. So there are 5 key points that can really help you earmark or bookmark a company as a blue chip. Firstly, blue chips are usually those companies that have a well-established name. They are leaders in their industry or business segment. Then they have a large market cap, which is basically the value of a company on the stock market. Thirdly, blue chips usually have a decent dividend history and practically no records of unethical business practices. Fourthly, then blue chips are companies that are respected both by the customers and the employees because of the policies they have. And lastly, these companies are household names, Samta, at least in the country of their origin.
Well, that should really help identify a blue chip. And that brings me to the next question that the listeners have been really waiting for. Which are the three hot blue chip stocks that they can consider buying in the month of April, according to you?
Sure, Samta. The first stock that I would say our listeners could consider is Royal Bank of Canada. As it was predicted by analysts, once the pandemic and the associated dangers really subside, there'll be a great hunger for rapid economic development in the economy. So, to support this, in fact, the federal government of Canada has already announced a stimulus package worth 100 billion US dollars. Also, Royal Bank of Canada has had a fabulous run so far in 2021 and it is up by 11.4% in this year. Also, Samta, the bank's earnings growth rate shows Hope as the top lender. Recently disclosed its first quarter 2021 results for the period ended 31st January. And there has been a 9.6% net income growth on a year-on-year basis. Besides, Royal Bank of Canada's high dividend yield of 3.7% is a promising feature, really.
Well, the Royal Bank of Canada certainly sounds promising. So, which is the next one in your list?
The second stock, Samta, that our listeners can look at is something called Enbridge. I feel confident about this one, as in just 3 months in 2021 so far, the stock has risen over 13%. Just like the Royal Bank of Canada, Enbridge's dividend yield is high, in fact, higher than RCB's. With 7.2% in dividend yield and around 14% YTD growth, you cannot look the other way really. Also, with an increased 2021 quarterly dividend by 3%, Enbridge is surely a must-watch stock in the blue chip list, Samta.
Absolutely, Nidhi. Enbridge is definitely one stock that our listeners should look at if they haven't already. So that brings us to our last stock that could be considered. Nidhi.
So the last in the list, Samta, is the Canadian National Railway stock. It is one of North America's biggest railroad company that safely transports more than 300 million tons of manufactured products, natural resources, and finished goods throughout the continent. As a leading transportation and logistics company that serves more than 20,000 route miles, transporting more than 250 billion Canadian dollars worth of goods annually, Canadian National Railway is a true blue chip that will never let you down. Having delivered a return of 31% to the investors in the last 1 year, imagine what wonders this stock can do given the fact that economic recovery has been set in motion now. Also, the stock has a dividend yield of 1.67% and an earnings per share of 5.02 Canadian dollars, Samta.
Thank you so much, Nidhi, for sharing your top 3 hot blue chip stocks to buy in April. I am sure that our listeners had an exciting time knowing how to identify these blue chip stocks as well.
Thanks, Samta.
Well, thank you so much, Nidhi, once again. And to listen to this podcast again, please log on to our website, which is calkinemedia.com, or you could also subscribe to our YouTube channel. We have a lot of videos over there, and you can find all our latest podcasts listed on our YouTube channel. So we will see you very soon with yet another insightful episode of Beyond Just Money. Till then, like we always say, stay apprised and invest wise. With Kalkine, your best guide.